Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video comparing two amazing cameras, the Sony a7E and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. If you're a photography enthusiast or looking to upgrade your gear, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now let's dive into the comparison. Both cameras offer impressive image sensors. The Sony a7E features an advanced 24.2 MP back-illuminated full-frame sensor with a 1.8x readout speed, providing excellent low-light performance and stunning image quality. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E sports a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor with a wide ISO range of 125,600, expandable to 51,200, delivering sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. In terms of autofocus, both cameras excel. The Sony a7E boasts 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points with 93% image coverage, ensuring accurate and fast subject tracking. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, making it ideal for both still photography and video. It's a tough call as both cameras provide reliable and high-performance autofocus capabilities. When it comes to video, the Sony a7E offers impressive features. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30 FPS and provides 14-bit uncompressed RAW output, ensuring maximum flexibility in post-production. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers 4K UHD recording at 24 FPS and HD 120 FPS for slow-motion footage. Additionally, it includes convenient vlogging features and a high-quality webcam capability using the EOS webcam utility software. Now, let's talk about the price. The Sony a7E is priced at $2,198, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E comes in at $899. Both cameras offer excellent value for their respective price points. Ultimately, the decision depends on your budget and specific photography needs. And that concludes our comparison between the Sony a7E and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. Both cameras have their strengths and cater to different photographers. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.